In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your time and date on your Windows computer. So to do that, you want to go ahead and right click on the taskbar and simply go into taskbar settings. Now from here, you want to click on time and language on the left side, and here you'll find the date and time. Click on it. Now, it's possible that by default it is set to automatic, and so you want to change this from automatic or set time automatic to turn it off. Once you do, go ahead and click on change, and here you can set your month, the year, you can also set the date, and you can change the time as well. And keep in mind that the time you can switch this from AM to PM directly from here. And so that's pretty much it, guys. So that's how you can easily go ahead and change that. Now, I want to mention something. Just in case you don't want to use the time for the 12-hour clock, as you can see, it says AM, PM, but just in case you don't want to use this, go ahead and just go to the section where it says change date and time format. Click here. And so from here, you will be able to change it. So here you can see where it shows a long time. Here it is currently set to AM, PM. You can click the drop down here and just switch this to these, let's say, 24-hour clock. This is what it looks like because it will have 09 and it will show 14. You can choose any one of these as you wish, right? These are both 24-hour clocks, while these are both 12-hour clocks. This is the, let's say, the more common one for 12-hour clock, and this is the more common one for the 24-hour clock, or this one as well. And so that's pretty much how you can easily go ahead and change your time and date in your Windows computer if you want to change this manually. Otherwise, you leave it as automatic and it will automatically detect for you. And that's it, guys.